Well, to those of you who cares about reviews, I got this machine as a gift last night. Arrived, and I was very excited. This morning, I put it together. It's really nice looking machine. However, last night I was able to brew a cup of coffee, and this morning it shows that the door is open. So basically nothing is blocking. It's all clear and it's not very full. It should be all good, but it shows that the door is open and it stopped working. And this morning when I saw that some other people posted the same issue, and in the review, unfortunately it was too late at that point, but still it shows the door is open. I believe the issue is with the sensor in the door area, or here where the coffee goes. So unfortunately I was very disappointed, because basically this was a Christmas gift from my son, and now I cannot even really enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. And definitely I will not buy it again, that's for sure, because it's not even worth it to wait and all that and then have something like this happening. Thank you, and hopefully this will help you to make the right choice. And as I said, I didn't see the review till this morning.